Hi, this is Keith May in South Edmond. It is the beginning of fall 2015, and as you can see behind me, we are at the intersection of 33rd and the Broadway extension in South Central Edmond, and everyone's probably saying a collective ugh right now because of all the construction that is going on. Now, this is a 9-month project. It started about July 20th of 2015. It's set to finish up in about 9 months, which puts it near the end of April 2016. This is an effort to ease congestion in the long run and to maximize this intersection. It's a joint project between ODOT, the Oklahoma Department of Transportation, and the City of Edmond in an attempt to speed up traffic flow, and they're adding several new turn lanes in different directions here at this intersection. Now, it's causing a big headache, of course, and they're asking people to use alternate routes going north and south, Boulevard, Kelly, even Santa Fe, and going east and west, Memorial and 15th Street, and people are doing that. Boulevard is my daily commute route, and there's a lot more traffic on that. So my name is Keith May. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams here in Edmond, Oklahoma. I like to keep folks updated on community happenings on my social media platforms. I'd love to talk to you should you have a real estate need arise, and good luck navigating this traffic and this construction.